Mvelelo za lwela vhuimo ha vhupresidende kha dzangano langaho bola ya milenzhe kana SAFA zido divhadzwa matshelo nga mugivhela kha khuvhangano ya khetha vhurangaphanda ha dzangano iḽi fhano doroboni ya Johannesburg. Phuresidende wa dzangano iḽi Vho-Danny Jordaan, Vho-Ria Ledwaba na vho-Solly Mohlabeng vha kha mbambe ya lwela vhuimo honohu.
As footballers, we're wishing the best. We're wishing Khore Mamre a chance. You know, it's about time. I think we change the leadership. It needs to be women. You know, I always believe which we've been giving men an opportunity, you know, to lead us. But now Mamre Upagamisis and Mamela, over these years I've been in this house. But when I look back, I really don't see what we produce. But now I wanna fix it, Joe. And not as footballers, we only want that. You know, it's not like we're against of anyone. But when we look at our president, we gave Vho-Danny the 9 years. But when we look back, we lost our pride in football. So the only thing that we want to do, we want to bring back the pride in football. And if Mamria is raising hand and he's been long in the system, and he knows he's in Papagat. So we're saying we're giving a second chance, you know, and hopefully Guti is gonna do right, because we as footballers, man, we're crying so loud for the change. And what is disappointing, I think, the worst part, Guti, even our people will come they let go, you know, of our football, because I don't believe Guti this is owned by Vho-Danny. Our national team is owned by the nation.
I think the elections, they're just one-sided, you know, because the way everything was fractured or was structured, it's just one-sided, you know. You can't campaign. If you're contesting, you can't say anything. People were only given 40 days to campaign before the real elections. Before that, they were not allowed to do anything. They were hands tied. You understand? Constitution will just change in between everything by one man. Understand? So, yeah. And you look at the criteria of voting. Only 4 people can vote in each province, and then only 1 person can vote for the entire legends or ex-pros or whatever. So yeah, the whole thing is just one. It's looking one direction.